What's the meaning of Brink's mat? Brink's mat. Brink's mat.
Brink's mat. Brink's mat. Brink's mat was a high-profile gold bullion robbery that took place in London, England in November 1983. Armed robbers stole approximately 6,800 gold bars from the Brink CMT warehouse at Heathrow Airport, with an estimated value of £26 million. The robbery was carried out with extreme violence, including the use of firearms and explosives. Although most of the robbers were eventually caught and imprisoned, only a small fraction of the stolen gold was ever recovered. The Brink's mat robbery remains one of the largest and most audacious heists in British history.